This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Dylan Stanley. 50.3 acres, excellent location for a housing development within city limits of Atkins. Access from 2 public roads, rolling pasture and nice mature hardwoods. 2 ponds, owner will subdivide into desired acreage. Call listing agent for pricing info. Great views and secluded. Seller open to reasonable offers. Pick your acreage amount and make your offer. Call for your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Dylan Stanley at 479-747-1290.